In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove availability on Calendly. Getting to grips with managing your schedule on Calendly can save you from the hassle of manual back and forth when setting up meetings. Whether you're juggling between tasks or simply need to restructure your available hours, having control over your calendar availability is key. So, let's jump right in and streamline your appointment settings. Firstly, navigate your way to Calendly's website. This is your starting point to a more organized schedule. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in. Click on Login to proceed. The convenience of modern technology allows you to continue with Google for a swift login process. So go ahead and click on Continue with Google. This choice streamlines the login process, bringing forth a simple way to access your account. Next, you'll be presented with a list of your Google accounts. Select the account you wish to use for Calendly. This account selection is crucial as it links your Calendly setups with your Google Calendar, ensuring a seamless integration of your schedules. After selecting your account, click on Continue to finalize the sign-in process. This will officially grant Calendly the access it needs to sync with your Google Calendar, making sure that your availability is accurately reflected. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to navigate to your Calendly dashboard. This dashboard is your control center where you can manage all your events and appointments. The next step is to select an event type you wish to edit. Each event type you've created in Calendly has its unique settings, including availability. By selecting an event, you're one step closer to fine-tuning your schedule to perfection. Having chosen an event, click on Scheduling Settings. This option takes you into the heart of your event's configuration, allowing you to edit various parameters, including your availability. Within the scheduling settings, you'll find your name. Click on your name to proceed. This action focuses the settings specifically on your personal availability for the selected event. Look for the edit icon next to your availability settings. This icon is your gateway to adjusting when and how you're available for appointments. Clicking on it opens up your current availability settings for that particular event type. Upon clicking the edit icon, a dialog box might appear, depending on your setup. If it does, simply click OK to acknowledge the message and move forward. This might be a reminder about linked calendars, or an overview of how your availability settings impact your Calendly scheduling. Now, you're in the crucial area, the section where you can remove or adjust your availability. This part is incredibly flexible, giving you the power to dictate exactly when you're open for appointments and when you're not. Whether you need to block off time for personal reasons or you're adjusting your schedule to focus on specific tasks, here is where you make those changes. Remember, effectively managing your availability in Calendly not only helps you organize your time better, but also ensures a smooth and efficient scheduling experience for your invitees. After making the necessary adjustments to your availability, make sure to save your changes. This will update your event type with the new settings, reflecting your updated availability across your Calendly account. A couple of final tips before we wrap up. It's always a good idea to periodically review your availability settings across all event types. Life gets busy and your schedule will inevitably change. Keeping your Calendly availability up to date prevents scheduling conflicts and helps maintain a professional image to your clients or colleagues. Also, remember to take advantage of Calendly's integrations with other calendars. By ensuring that Calendly has access to all relevant calendars, you avoid overbookings and can manage your time more effectively. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily remove availability on Calendly, making sure that your calendar reflects your actual availability, keeping your scheduling smooth and stress-free. Whether you're streamlining your tasks, carving out time for self-care, or adjusting for other commitments, managing your Calendly availability is a powerful step in taking control of your time. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it helps you make the most of your Calendly experience, ensuring that your calendar works for you, making scheduling appointments a breeze.